Welcome to Vision Academy. In today's video, I will show you step-by-step how to edit images using Qwen AI to create stunning and precise AI images with text editing. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Qwen AI on Google. Click on the official website link. On the home page, click on the Login or Sign Up button. Here, I will choose Login. You can log in using your email and password, or simply continue with Google. I will click on Continue with Google. Once you are logged in, click on the plus button to upload the image that you want to edit. Now type your prompt in the text box. For example, type, "Edit the image so that the man is sitting in a luxurious 5-star hotel dining hall." The background should feature elegant chandeliers, marble floors, golden accents, and finely decorated dining tables with white tablecloths, crystal glasses, and candles. The lighting should be warm and ambient, giving a premium luxury atmosphere. Ensure the man blends naturally with the surroundings, seated comfortably at a table, as if he is dining in the hotel. Hit Enter to generate the image. It will take a few moments to process. If you are not happy with the result, you can try again with the same prompt. Once you are satisfied, download the image to your computer. Now let's take another example. Type the following prompt. Edit the image so that the man is dancing in a modern nightclub with colorful neon lights, energetic crowd, and lively atmosphere. Place a few stylish young women dancing nearby, enjoying the music. Ensure the man blends naturally with the party environment with dynamic lighting, dance floor reflections, and a vibrant club vibe. Again, wait for the image to generate. If you are happy with the result, download the image onto your computer. And that's it. You have successfully edited images with Qwen AI using text prompts. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to Vision Academy, and hit the bell icon for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.